GPU backplates improve cooling by dissipating heat, reinforcing PCB strength, reducing hotspots, and enhancing long-term performance and durability. My today's video is about top 5 best GPU backplate cooler that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AsiaHorse GPU Backplate Cooler. The AsiaHorse 360mm RGB fan set delivers a seamless blend of performance, aesthetics, and convenience. Its integrated design simplifies installation and significantly reduces cable clutter, making it an ideal choice for both novice builders and seasoned PC enthusiasts. Equipped with three 120mm PWM fans, it ensures precise airflow control, dynamically adjusting speeds between 800 and 1,800 revolutions per minute to balance cooling efficiency and quiet operation, with noise levels ranging from a whisper-quiet 16 dB to a robust 34.3 dB. Heat dissipation is exceptional, maintaining optimal temperatures for both your chassis and CPU, whether paired with a liquid cooler or standard setup. The standout feature, however, is the vibrant RGB lighting. 56 individually addressable LEDs per fan offer full-spectrum color customization, easily syncing with Aura Mystic Light, Polychrome Sync, and other ARGB motherboards. The result is a striking visual impact without compromising performance, making these fans a versatile, high-quality choice for any gaming or high-performance build. Now our second product is NZXT GPU Backplate Cooler. The NZXT all-in-one RGB fan unit impresses with its sleek, integrated design, combining multiple fans into a single frame setup for effortless installation and unified lighting control. Gone are the days of managing separate fan connections. This unit streamlines both assembly and aesthetics. Connectivity is versatile. Link it to an NZXT controller sold separately to manage lighting and speeds via NZXT CAM software, or plug directly into any 5E ARGB motherboard header using the included splitter cable. Its fan blades are engineered to maximize static pressure, efficiently pushing air through tight spaces while maintaining superior airflow for optimal system cooling. Silent operation is ensured by fluid dynamic bearings, offering durability and a remarkable 60,000-hour lifespan. On top of this, 8 individually addressable LEDs provide vibrant, customizable lighting effects, elevating the visual appeal of any build. Combining performance, longevity, and stunning RGB, this unit is a standout choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both efficiency and flair. Our third product is Thermalright GPU Backplate Cooler. This ARGB fan cluster delivers an impressive combination of performance, aesthetics, and user-friendly design. Simplified cable management means only a single cable is needed per cluster, reducing clutter and allowing for flexible, customized installation. Each fan features advanced SFDB bearings, minimizing vibration and noise while providing reliable cooling and an extended lifespan. The standout feature is the unique dual-sided infinity mirror frame with front ARGB light rings, producing dynamic, multi-layer RGB effects that are further enhanced by the airflow, turning any build into a visual centerpiece. High-performance PWM control ensures the fans automatically adjust speeds based on motherboard temperatures, optimizing cooling while maintaining quiet operation. Integrated 4-pin power and serial ARGB connectors allow seamless direct motherboard connection, while broad compatibility makes these fans suitable for PC cases, CPU air coolers, and liquid cooling setups. With thoughtful design, vibrant lighting, and efficient thermal performance, this fan cluster is ideal for enthusiasts seeking both style and substance. Now number 4, Jonsbo GPU Backplate Cooler. The Jonsbo ZB 360 ARGB Infinity Mirror Series fan set redefines both aesthetics and performance for PC builds. Featuring a 28mm thick, all-in-one single-frame design with three 120mm ARGB fans, it simplifies installation by eliminating the need to connect individual fans. Its axis and four-sided infinity mirrors create a mesmerizing front 1,000-layer illusion with dual-zone lighting that produces a rich, echoing RGB effect, elevating any case visually. Cable management is streamlined through a joint structure one-line connection to the motherboard, while the 5V RGB plug design allows chaining with other lighting devices. Fans run quietly yet efficiently, with rotational speeds from 700 to 2,400 revolutions per minute and noise levels between 20.95 to 65.26 dB. Power via 4-pin ARGB connectors at 12V. Users should note that the 360 model's 68 plus 27 LEDs may exceed the control capacity of some low-end motherboards. Adding a compatible ARGB controller ensures full lighting customization. Overall, the ZB360 combines high-performance cooling with stunning, immersive lighting for enthusiasts seeking both style and substance. And our last choice is Jungle Leopard GPU Backplate Cooler. The Jungle Leopard Interstellar V2 120mm RGB case fan marks a notable upgrade over its first-generation predecessor, combining enhanced aesthetics, airflow, and durability. Its refined lighting is softer and more immersive, complemented by side infinity mirror splicing that delivers a stronger, continuous glow across the fan cluster. Cable design has been upgraded with durable nylon mesh, ensuring longevity and secure connections. The daisy chain, slide-in pin-to-pin interlocking mechanism simplifies installation. Only one cable per fan cluster is needed, resulting in a cleaner, more organized chassis interior and faster setup. Airflow performance has been improved without increasing noise, thanks to bionically designed fan blades that generate high wind pressure and substantial air volume. Vibration and resonance are minimized with 8 damping pads, keeping noise levels at a quiet less than or equal to 29 dBA. Overall, the Interstellar V2 balances stunning visual appeal, efficient airflow, and silent operation, making it an ideal choice for gamers and PC builders who want both performance and style in one polished package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.